Hi Aries, this is Chad with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of August 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use Butterfly Oracle deck. For a quick message from the universe, we will dive into the Celtic Lenormand as well. Aries, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading without wasting any further time. Towards the final days of July, stepping into August 2021, we have the Strength card. Certainly, this card brought in surprises for you. Maybe you had also received some dues. Minor returns apart, I think this was a very fruitful period. I think you were being able to complete the tasks one after the other. Interestingly, Aries, I'm also picking up that many of you may have also let go of people whom you no longer required in your life. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that August is going to present for Aries worldwide is the Ten of Pentacles. I think financial issues could be something which could make you fretful. Largely, I think Aries, you should maintain your poise, but then you may find yourself losing your cool time and again. Possibly it would also benefit you if you would compromise with colleagues or co-workers, even within the family. I think you should listen to the point of view of other people rather than be too aggressive or rather than be too egoistical as well. Maybe there could also be issues within the home. Now, this could create disharmony in your relationship. Sometimes, you could be unwilling to compromise. That is why it is imperative for you to listen to others. Some of you are also picking up that there could be work offers, but then it may not amount to anything. Maybe there could be outstation ones as well, but then they may not excite you. Also, Aries, I think you should take an advance before you commit yourself to any work. Influences for this month, we have the Page of Swords. I think you're somebody who wants to take the bull by the horns. Maybe you will decide on your future. Some of you could also be deliberating with family elders about your decisions regarding work or regarding your future. Maybe you want to go out of town for higher education, or maybe you want to look for greener pastures. That is why you think you want to move to another place, but then your family members may not see eye to eye. Maybe they think that your ideas are impractical. I think some of you could also be concerned because your pockets aren't too deep, and that is why these plans may not bear fruit. But then you're somebody who will cut through these obstacles which life is presenting you. Basically, you're somebody who's going to take these challenges head on and soldier on. Also this August, I think that your schedules could also go for a toss. That is why you need to have a very flexible approach. Ideally, Aries, I think you should attend to work on a priority basis. Maybe you're somebody who's going to work late at night, or you could get up early in the morning. Either way, you're somebody who's going to be quite focused about completing the day's tasks. Bookkeeping will also keep you busy. Incidentally, Aries, you should also be careful because gadgets or equipment that you require with respect to work could create disagreements. The first 10 days of August, we have the Three of Cups. Reunions are quite likely. I think your social life is also going to be on the upswing. Those of you who have children, maybe you could be concerned. Largely in this period, I think you should tap into your contacts. You should network a bit because there are going to be those gains on account of your friends and acquaintances. Maybe it is also the time to promote yourself on the social media. Possibly you could benefit if you would take the help of younger people who are well versed with the workings of the social media. Maybe they could help you understand how you should proceed. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th August, we have the Four of Wands. This energy is talking about your concern about the home. Maybe many of you could also be doing up your home. Renovation could also be on the cards. Largely, I think in this period, there could be surprises in store for you. I think your personal magnetism is also going to be at its peak in this month. So maybe if you're going to be socializing, you'll be turning heads. However, you can also expect criticism. Sometimes, you may feel that your words are being misinterpreted. So maybe you should clear the air, ensure that there are no misunderstandings. Even in these days, I think you're somebody who's going to push yourself and complete a lot of tasks. At times, you could also seek divine guidance and carry on purposefully. Your superior or even your boss or your employer could also be pleased with your productivity or your output. Besides, I think you're somebody who's quite ingenious. Incidentally, in these days, you will also be somebody who has to counter jealous colleagues. Maybe they're also stealing your ideas, but then you should be thankful because your superior is aware that you are way ahead of the pack. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think work would increase. Maybe you feel you're under pressure as well. There are some unruly juniors who don't follow the instructions. Maybe they don't care about being punctual. So this could leave you quite irked. Paperwork or technical work will also increase in this month. Sometimes, you could feel that you are getting distracted. I think many Aries will also benefit if you do some spiritual cleansing as well. The final days of August, we have the Ace of Pentacles, that is towards 21st to 31st August. This is also talking about gains which is going to come your way. I think you can expect opportunities. Even gains through communication is quite likely in this time. Basically, Aries, you have your reasons to be elated, but then I think you should also be mindful of the fact that you need not be free with advice. Sometimes people could take it, otherwise they could accuse you of being meddlesome. This is why it is important for you to step back. In these days also, you may find that you tend to lose your cool. So that is why it is necessary for you to be mindful of that as well. Maybe you should also be more sensitive to the needs of your aging mother. With respect to your love life, Aries, we have this card, Dark Night of the Soul. This is a very strong energy. Possibly you're dealing with some old wounds that you need to heal. Maybe you're also having a moment of awakening. By the way, we did clarify the Dark Night of the Soul, and we have this card, Healing. Certainly, Aries, you will benefit if you heal the relationship, especially with the opposite sex. Even with your mother, it did come up in your reading that you need to address these issues which are there. Single Aries, you will definitely be the cynosure of all eyes. I think the opposite sex will try very hard to impress you. Maybe you're disinterested. Even your loved ones will want to play Cupid this month. Possibly, there could be a proposal on a matrimonial site or on a dating site, but then these are early days. I think some of you could also be reminded of your past lovers this month. Possibly this is also why we do have the Dark Night of the Soul. This is leading to some kind of a realization within you. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you definitely have love on your mind. You're being reminded of this person. Sometimes you're also going to be somebody who's going to stalk this person on the social media. Some of you may also want to be acknowledged in case you're in an unacknowledged relationship. Maybe you want to reach out to him, but then this person could choose to ignore you. Perhaps you should give him the time and space that he needs to understand his feelings. Maybe you should not be too clingy as well. Ideally, I think Aries, you should focus on your own aims and aspirations. This is something which is going to make you quite attractive to the opposite sex. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you could be hearing from an ex-flame or somebody from your past. Maybe this person wants to reach out to you and reconfirm his feelings, but then you have moved on. Possibly this card is also going to be true for this person. Romancing Aries, I think you will be discussing work. Oftentimes, you could also be talking about your past life. Maybe you want to fill this person about your past. You will definitely enjoy dinner dates. Maybe there'll be free-flowing conversation because we have the Three of Cups energy in your reading. Communication, like I said, will also increase this month. Basically, I think the two of you should go with the flow. I think you are going to be in a happy state and you want this feeling to last forever. Sometimes, you could also have to deal with a busy lover because we do have the Pentacle energy in your reading. Understand that it is essential for you to give this person the time that he requires. Many of you could also be dealing with a twin flame this month. Maybe this is why we have this Dark Night of the Soul. Maybe this person realizes that there is a twin flame connection here because we have the Four of Wands in your reading. I think this person realizes that he cannot walk away from this connection. On the other hand, married Aries, I think you should be more tolerant of each other. Maybe you're somebody who is going to say some unkind words. This is why it is necessary for you to hold your tongue this month. I think your person is also somebody who could be suspicious. Maybe this person also wants you to limit your interactions with the opposite sex. Perhaps I think Aries, you should also stop complaining or whining over inane matters. You should appreciate each other. For many of you, I'm also picking up that the health of a loved one or even your spouse could also be a cause for concern here. Sometimes, you may also get exasperated because your spouse conceals things from you. Or you may be feeling ignored in this connection. Those of you who are in an unhappy connection, I think infidelity or unfaithfulness could be an issue here. Sometimes, you may feel as though you're being made the scapegoat or you're being made the fall guy. I think you're going to be hurt because you feel that you're being blamed for no rhyme or reason. Thankfully, you're also somebody who understands that there's no point overreacting to such situations. Moment we have the card key which talks about insight, and we did have the dark night of the soul. Some realizations are going to be there this month. Maybe you're also going to uncover something or unlock those ideas that are there. Basically, this is going to be a month which is going to be quite insightful for you. Aries, we have all the answers. Sometimes, you may not always like what you find. Still, it's always better to know the truth than to remain in darkness. From the Butterfly Oracle deck, we have this card, Be True to You. This is the last card in your reading. Perhaps Aries, you're dealing with some inner conflict. Remember, we did have the dark night of the soul here. So maybe you're struggling to make a decision about your next actions. Possibly, you could be weighed down about the possible outcome as well. Maybe you think this choice that you're making could turn out to be the wrong one. Ideally, I think Aries, you need to be true to yourself. You should be more assertive. You should speak the truth and stand up for what you believe is right. Maybe you should not be swayed by outside pressure as well. I think you should not compromise on your vision because it is going to put you out of sync with the inner happiness that you desire. Besides, if you're truly happy, you will automatically lift up those around you. This is why the angels are asking you to be true to your own self. I hope Aries, you liked your reading. This is Tara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.